Not sure if you guys can hear that, but my neighbor's having some work done. I don't know. Someone's got landscapers. It's kind of loud. I apologize if you guys can hear that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 Dollar Tree accessory holders. My dilemma was having somewhere to put my sunglasses and my regular glasses. I was constantly just finding glasses all over the place, and I was like, I need somewhere to put these so they don't get broken. So I was perusing YouTube one day and I came across this video by Money DIY. I believe that's what her YouTube name is called. So she made this cute little glasses holder with using the little Dollar Tree trays. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna recreate that. And mine's a little bit different. I used a couple different items than she did, but it turned out so cute. And I'm able to put like most of my glasses, my sunglasses in there. So yeah, that one is for me. And then the other ones, my daughter has probably like 100 headbands. You guys will see later on. We've been trying to figure out somewhere to store her headbands, like that's easy for her to grab them. And we've tried a couple other options and they just haven't worked. So we are making some headband holders. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, stick around, and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's get into these little accessory holders. All right, for this first one, I'm going to be using 3 of these little trays, and I'm not sure if they have other kinds. The only ones I could find were the little ones with the stars. I would have preferred them to maybe be plain and not have the stars, but it's okay. It's not really that big of a deal once it's finished. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and take some white acrylic paint and paint all of the little trays white. And now for Money's video, she used rulers and she cut those, but I'm going to go ahead and use foam board because if you guys know me, I use foam board for everything. And I wanted to do a couple more like shelves, I guess you could say, because she just did 1 in each tray, and I'm going to do 2 in each tray because I have a lot of glasses that I want to put in here. So I'm just cutting the little foam board into strips so that those will fit into the boxes. And now I'm just taking my hot glue and I'm going to go ahead and glue the trays all together. You're going to stack them. So I'm going to stack all 3 of them. Now I'm taking a ruler and I'm just going to make little marks on the trays so that the little shelves are equal distance apart on every single tray. And then next I'm just taking my hot glue and putting some glue on each side of the little foam board pieces, and I'm just going to slide those in and make the little shelves. So once you already make your little markings on where they're supposed to go, it's super easy. You just glue them and slip them right in there. And now that you have all the shelves in, I'm just kind of going in and reinforcing them and just putting some glue on the tops and the bottoms just to make sure that they stay in place. I thought that they would be a little flimsy, but they're actually not. I think they're going to hold up pretty darn well. And then once you have it all reinforced, I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit more of the white paint and cover up the markings because I tried to erase them and it didn't come completely off. So I'm going to cover up those little markings and then just touch up any spots that need to be touched up. And now to hang it, I'm just going to go ahead and take a small piece of twine. This thing is super light. I had wanted to somehow hang it with a nail, but I couldn't find one of those little hanging like hinge thingies. So I am just going to go ahead and glue this twine on there. My glue gun works pretty good, and I have a feeling this is going to hold up just fine. So just cut a small piece of twine, however long you want it to hang down, and just glue both sides, and then that is it for this one. I just love how this turned out. I have it hanging in my office right now and I think it looks so cute, and I can't believe how many glasses I'm able to fit on there, and I just love this one. All right, for this next one, I'm just taking an 8x8 or 8x10 frame from Dollar Tree. I am taking the 2 little crates from Dollar Tree, some twine, and then I also have this, it's cardstock, I believe, and it's just like wood cardstock. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the wrapping off and then take out the back of the frame, take the glass out. You're not going to use the glass, so either throw that away or use it for another project. But yeah, just remove everything. And you're also going to want to remove the little pieces that hold the backing on. I like to just take pliers and pull them right out. So next thing I'm doing is just taking the back and I'm tracing it onto, this is actually the back of the wood cardstock. I'm just tracing it and to make it an 8x10 so that I can glue it on the back of the frame. Next, I'm taking these little hooks that I had in my toolbox. I'm assuming they're either from Home Depot or Harbor Freight or something. My husband got me a toolbox for Christmas, and these were in there. So I'm just taking 2 of those, and I'm just going to stick them right through the backing and then glue them just to make sure that they don't move around. But this is actually what we are going to hang the headbands on. And then next, you're just going to want to take the backing and put it back in. And I don't know why I told you guys earlier to remove those. That must have been from a different project. Do not remove those because you need to put the backing back in there. I'm so sorry, you guys. And then once that is done, I have already taken these little boxes outside and I spray painted them white. It was just easier than painting them. And you're just going to want to go ahead and take some glue and glue them right together. And then I'm putting some more glue on the frame and you're just going to attach the little boxes, and that is just going to be for other little, we're going to put headbands in there. She's got some little like bows and barrettes that we can put in there, but I think this one turned out so cute and it actually holds most of her headbands. This is what it looks like without anything on it. And then this is how it looks with all of her headbands. You can hardly even see the frame. I think it just looks super cute and she's really happy with it. She's able to see all of her headbands now and she knows exactly what she has. Okay, so once I got the first one made, I realized that she has more headbands, so I needed to make something else because they didn't all fit on there. So I'm taking some more cardstock and just measuring it again so that I can glue this onto the backing of the frame. And it's another 8x10 frame from Dollar Tree. It doesn't match the other one, but that's okay because you can't really see the other one. So I'm just going ahead and gluing this cardstock right onto the back again. And then you're going to want to go ahead and put this back inside of the frame. This frame didn't come with that little piece that you can make it stand up with, so I actually took this off of the other one because I didn't need it, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach this one onto this frame because the other one stands up with the little boxes attached to it, and this one doesn't have anything to kind of make it stand up, so I'm just gluing that on there so that I can stand it up. And then again, I'm just going to take a couple more of those little hooks and stick them in there and add some hot glue to reinforce them, and that is it for this one. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I don't have a picture with the headbands on this one, but I think it turned out super cute, and she just loves having these on her dresser that hold all her headbands. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these little accessory holders, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and we will see you all soon. Bye!